guys, I just have air dried hair, so we are going to take it like this to something pretty, I hope. I just pulled out this tool that I have had for a really long time. I mean, I think maybe even since before James and I were dating. Anyway, so I'm going to try it out. I used to love doing my hair with this, so we are going to try it out today. So like I said, just air dried. I have only brushed it. That's it. So I'm just going to do it the way I used to do it, and we're just going to see how it goes. So here we go. So just grabbing a small section, and you literally just leave it on. And when I do this, I actually like to I'll skip a little bit because I like it to be really imperfect. And you'll just kind of see how it goes. So it just goes pretty fast if I remember correctly. I'm not really sure, but we'll see how this goes. And then I just gather it, and then I just grab another piece. And then I will go back later if I need to and do any touch-ups. So yeah, it just kind of gives you like some of those little waves. Throw it over. And then grab another small little section. And I think the smaller your hair, the sections of hair that you have, the crimpier it kind of will be. If you grab a larger section, it's a little thicker. Unless you leave it on really long for the heat to really set, then it will stay a little bit less crimpy, if you will. So you just kind of just keep going down. So guys, this thing is falling off. But I did look, and I did find some newer versions, so I will link those for you guys. So you can see it just gives you a nice little almost like a Beachy wave without having to do a whole lot. So you just kind of keep going, and then I'll go down one more, and then I'll leave the ends kind of straight, just so you can get that more imperfect look. And I have long hair. I have a lot of hair. I even have extensions in here just for volume. So it's going to take me a lot longer to do my hair like this than say somebody who has shorter hair or somebody who doesn't have extensions. So I'll just kind of keep going through here. I do the one side, and then start shining as your bones illuminate. First kiss just like a drug. Under your influence, it's hit me over, you're the magic in my veins. This must be love. Boom, clap, sound in my heart, the beat goes on and on and on and on. Boom, clap, you make me feel good. Come on to me now. Boom, clap, sound in my heart, the beat goes on and on and on and on. Boom, clap, you make me feel good. Come on to me now. No silver or no gold could dress me up so good. You're the glitter in the darkness of my world. Just tell me what to do, I'll fall right into you. Going under 'cause I spell, just say the word, I feel your love. Boom, clap, the sound in my heart, the beat goes on and on and on and on. Boom, clap, you make me feel good. Come on to me now. Boom, clap, the sound in my heart, the beat goes on and on and on and on. Boom, clap, you make me feel good. Come on to me now. You are the light and I will follow. You let me lose my shadow. You are the sun, a glowing halo, and you keep burning me up with all of your love. Look at that, how cute, and it'll relax a little bit. I'll put a little sea salt spray, and maybe even, look how easy that was. I always love these little curls. Okay, let's switch.
Your picture perfect blue, sunbathing on the moon, stars shining as your bones illuminate. First kiss just like a drug, under your influence. It's hit me over, you're the magic in my veins. This must be love. Boom, clap, sound in my heart, the beat goes on and on and on and on. And boom, clap, you make me feel good. Come on to me, come on to me now. Boom, clap, the sound in my heart, the beat goes on and on and on and on. And boom, clap, you make me feel good. Come on to me now. No silver or no gold could dress me up so good. You're the glitter in the darkness of my world. Just tell me what to do, I'll fall right into you. Going under 'cause the spell, just say the word. I feel your love. Boom, clap, the sound in my heart, the beat goes on and on and on and on. And boom, clap, you make me feel good. Come on to me now. Boom, clap, the sound in my heart, the beat goes on and on and on and on. And boom, clap, you make me feel good. Come on to me now. You are the light and I will follow. You let me lose my shadow. You are the sun, a glowing halo, and you keep burning me up with all of your love. Boom, clap, the sound in my heart, the beat goes on and on and on and on. And boom, clap, you make me feel good. Come on to me now. Boom, clap, the sound in my heart, the beat goes on and on and on and on. And boom, clap, you make me feel good. Come on to me now.
Okay, you guys, that's it. The only thing I'm gonna do is just grab a little bit of my sea salt spray, my mermaid spray. Spritz it out. How cute is that? I love this. So easy. None of that flipping back and forth stuff that I've seen, which is equally just as cute, but I love how easy that was. And if you like do it on the opposite side and you flip it over, so cute. So that is my like modern day crimping, if you will. Extra body, a little bit of wave, and I think if you take care of it over the next couple days, it'll relax and then it'll just be something that lasts you a few days. If you guys have any questions, let me know. If you guys have any other tutorials that you would like to see, comment below. I'm happy to do those, share those with you, and hope you just like, comment, share. Thanks, guys.